Hello everyone! Today we will be creating a stunning dot mandala art. Mandala art is a beautiful and relaxing form of art which has symmetrical designs all over. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a simple dot mandala art using basic supplies. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily create this beautiful mandala art. Let's get started. To begin, you will need a 12-inch MDF board which you can easily purchase from Amazon. Apply a base coat of black acrylic color to the entire surface of MDF board. Allow it to dry. Here I'll show you how to find the center of the circle. Take a paper and cut it in the size of your board. Then fold it in half and again do the same. Place it on the edge of the board and here we have the center. Next, take a compass and a pencil to draw circles or the margin lines of various sizes on the board. I have the measurements of these circles which you can capture in a screenshot and use as a reference while drawing on your board. Now let's take a look at the mandala art tools that I'll be using for this painting. I purchased these tools from Amazon as well. These tools help me in getting even dots and designs which can be difficult with a brush alone. Next, I have taken some white acrylic color on a palette. Take a generous amount of color to get a perfect dot. Avoid mixing water in the colors for this painting. To begin, just dip the tool into the white acrylic color and press it on the center of the board to make a circle. Continue adding dots to the circles, starting from the center and working your way outward. In this way, you can avoid the design from getting ruined by hands. Toolkit has dots by different sizes, so choose your appropriate tool for the pattern. Begin by making small dots followed by the larger ones using larger tools. Ensure that you draw the dots between two margin lines that we have marked before starting the painting. This will result in a symmetrical design. Just in case you do not get a perfect circle or a perfect dot, you can easily correct it using a brush as I have shown in the video. Leave the painting to dry for a while in between two different layers of design. Next, we will make patterns using round tools. These are available in different sizes to make different designs. Here we will be using brush to create some interesting patterns. Just follow these simple steps as shown in the video to create this amazing art piece. Enjoy your dot mandala art and share your experience with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.